Like I said, the first award, Technovisionary, representing long-standing significant contributions in academics. The award this year goes to Dr. Panduranga Sethi. And a short introduction to Dr. Panduranga Sethi. And Venki, if you will do the honors of escorting, Mr. Panduranga Sethi. A quick introduction. I won't go through the entire long history of Dr. Panduranga Sethi. Panduranga Sethi serves as the president of RV Educational Trust, a very well-known educational institution that has been in existence for over 55 years, and he has been associated with RV College of Engineering for nearly 4 decades. And his contribution, he said he has never drawn a single paise of income from the institution except for a few cups of tea every time he visits the institution. So for his yeoman service in furthering the cause of academics and establishing RVC in the form that it is today, we are privileged that he is here with us to accept the award, and I request Gurudev Ravi Shankar to honor Panduranga Sethi with the award. Dr. Sethi, it would be a privilege for us to hear from you your life's journey and your contribution to academics in this country. If you will spare about 5 minutes of your time sharing with us your inspiration and inspire us in the process. Thank you.
Good evening. Respected Padma Shri Guruji Ravi Shankar, founder of the art of living, known throughout the world for his noble work of heralding peace. Sri Vinay Shenoy, President of the Indian Electronics and Semiconductor Association, the other office bearers of the IESA, ladies and gentlemen, nothing could have given greater pleasure to us, particularly representing the Rashtriya Shikshan Samiti Trust, of which I am the chairman, than receiving the recognition in the hands of Sri Guruji Ravi Shankar ji. The IESA has been kind enough to introduce this particular award, I believe this year. After nearly 45 years of holding the office of the presidentship of the Rashtriya Shikshan Samiti Trust, which has got more than 27 institutions, right from kindergarten to post-graduation programs. Except medical college, we have all the other programs offering to the general public in particular. Year 2016, which has just begun, is our platinum jubilee year. Nothing could have been better than receiving an award of recognition, particularly the trust, which is 75 years old, receiving an award and a recognition of an association which is known for its work in the field of electronics. Ladies and gentlemen, when brain drain is happening and is not that much as it was during the past years, still a lot of brain drain is happening in our country. I'm glad that RV institutions have been able to contain this brain drain to a very large extent by creating entrepreneurs and people who have created number of opportunities for people to get employment. One of these years in the past, while I was in US, I had an opportunity of meeting one of our old student, Venkatesh Prasad, who wanted to come back. He is our old student. After finishing his studies, went to Bharat Electronics and then went to US. After nearly 2 decades of being in US, thought of coming back to this country, happened to meet me when I asked him, what would you be doing in India when you come back? He explained to me what he is doing, and he said, sir, I have plans. If that opportunity is given to me to execute my plans, India could become another country to produce people with lot of knowledge and know-how and technology. When my trustees met him, heard him, agreed to provide an opportunity, and thus RV VLSI was started nearly about 8-10 years ago. We had no plans other than what he brought to us. Our alumni are everywhere in the world, and we have quite a large number of people offering employment, creation of employment. That is what our Prime Minister wants us to do today in this country. We are glad to say that under the guidance of our trustees, particularly the 3 pillars who are present here, our Honorary Treasurer, Honorary Secretary and Honorary Joint Secretary, we have been able to build an army of young people, an army of qualified professionals to take the youngsters to the other parts of the world. And today we have been able to create that kind of an institution because we are blessed with blessings like Sri Guruji, who is present here. Ladies and gentlemen, 35 years of my journey with the Rashtriya Shikshan Samiti Trust has been a journey of learning, educating, and learning and learning and learning. This institution, which was started by a school teacher with 6 students, has grown to 17,000 students with 27 institutions today. It is not like any other institution. We are volunteers. We are given opportunity once in 3 years to work for the institution without any kind of a plan. We plan everything for the country and for the youngsters to grow into better citizens of tomorrow and create wonders in this world. That's how RSST and RV College of Engineering, which is the flagship of our institutions, has been able to progress. And with your cooperation and with the recognition you have given us today, I am sure all our trustees and members and the staff members of nearly 1,700 of them will continue to strive hard in producing better quality students for the sake of this country. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for for going through the nostalgic journey of 45 years in contribution to academics in the country. I now take the privilege of announcing the ISA Technovation Sarabhai Lifetime Achievement Award. And it's my privilege to announce that the award this year goes to Dr. Ajay Kumar. Dr. Ajay Kumar needs no introduction. He's been in the Ministry of IT standing like a solid pillar and perhaps the most stable bureaucrat in the ministry and perhaps within the government at this point in time. And I've seen him coming up with very innovative, visionary policies, focusing and promoting electronic system design and manufacturing in the country. Dr. Ajay Kumar, if you will come on the stage. I request Gurudev ji to confer the award to Dr. Ajay Kumar. Dr. Ajay Kumar, if you can get some words of wisdom from you over 5 minutes. Thank you.
Good evening. Respected Gurudev Shri Ji, my esteemed colleague, award winner, Dr. Shetty, Shri Vinay Shenoy, Chairman IESA, office bearers, Mr. Vidya Shankar, President IESA, other office bearers of IESA. First of all, my heartfelt thanks to all of you for having chosen me for this. Lifetime gives a feeling it's, your innings is over. I still have some time in the government. But I am humbled, truly humbled. It's good to know that someone is recognizing the work that one is doing. But honestly, I can say that I need to recognize here the work that has been done by the whole team, the small team that we had within the Department of Electronics and IT who are not here today. Each one of them, when we started this whole electronics initiative to recreate this electronics industry in the country in 2011, there used to be just 1.5 director, one director full-time and one director part-time who was working in the department with me. And then slowly we got some more people, and they have all worked extremely hard, and I really, really would like to thank them for the work they have done. But honestly speaking, without any detail, big manpower support, this effort would not have been possible without the support of our friends from the industry. I would like to acknowledge the fact that I have learned a lot in the last 4 or 5 years in this job from various friends who are today, some of them are present here. And had it not been for their support, in fact, the lack of adequate departmental strength was more than adequately made up by support from the industry. In fact, the industry has worked as implementation arm in trying to promote the sector more than what we could have expected. Every time I had some guidance to seek, some information to seek, some analysis to be done, we would have industry friends come forward and support us. I would particularly like to acknowledge IESA for their support in